Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing. Place every PDF into a single folder so selection is instant. Next, confirm the printer is online, has paper, and sufficient toner. Make sure the connection is stable, USB or Wi-Fi. Once done, open your preferred PDF reader or file manager and select the first set of files. Choose print settings such as color, double-sided, and number of copies. This prevents interruptions later and makes the batching step much faster. And you now select multiple files. Use Shift or Control on Windows, CMD on Mac to queue them. Once selected, right-click and choose Print or open them in your PDF app and use the Combined Print dialog. This lets you set page ranges, scaling, and duplex printing for the whole batch. Make sure to preview page order and adjust for any rotated pages or different orientations. If you need one document, combine PDFs first. Otherwise, send the batch job to the queue to begin. You finish by monitoring the print queue. Look for paused or error states and confirm pages are output correctly. If a misprint or jam occurs, cancel remaining jobs and test printing a single PDF to isolate the issue. This helps determine if the file or the printer is at fault. Once solved, resume or resend batches. If jobs remain stuck, restart the printer and clear the queue. That single troubleshooting step often restores normal flow quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.